Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Yes, you can absolutely change your Facebook name in 2025. This guide will walk you through the entire process, making it super simple and quick for you. While the steps are straightforward, there are a few important rules Facebook has in place. Understanding these ensures your change goes smoothly without any hitches. Stick around, and we'll show you how to update your profile with confidence and ease. Before you dive in, remember a few key rules for changing your Facebook name. You can only update it every 60 days, so choose wisely. Facebook also enforces a strict 21-day grace period after any prior change. It's crucial to avoid using symbols, numbers, unusual capitalization, or repeated characters. Keep it professional, and your new name will be accepted without problems. Let's start the process. First, open your Facebook app or head to the website and click on your profile picture. From there, navigate to the Settings and Privacy option, then smoothly select Settings. Now, look for the Account Center, and within that, simply tap on Personal Details. This is your gateway to managing account information. Continuing our guide, once you're in Personal Details, you'll see your profile name listed. Go ahead and click directly on that. Next, choose the name option, which will then reveal the editable fields for your first, middle, and last names. Carefully input your desired new name into each of the provided boxes. Take your time here to ensure accuracy. For our final step, carefully review your new name to ensure it's spelled perfectly and aligns with all Facebook's strict policies. When you're completely satisfied, click on Review Change to proceed. Finally, confirm your decision, and your name change will be submitted for processing. It might take just a few moments to reflect across the platform, so be patient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.